Ready to unlock the world of crypto trading on Kraken Pro but need to fund your account first? This video will walk you through depositing funds into your Kraken Pro account, step by step, ensuring a seamless and secure experience. First, log into your Kraken Pro account. Once logged in, navigate to the deposit section, typically found under the funding tab or a similar option in the main menu. Here, you'll see a variety of deposit methods available. Kraken Pro supports bank transfers, cryptocurrency deposits, and stablecoin deposits. Each method has its own advantages and considerations. Let's start with bank transfers. Select bank transfer and choose your desired currency. Carefully review the instructions and Kraken's banking details provided. You'll usually need to include a unique reference code in your bank transfer. To ensure the funds are correctly credited to your Kraken Pro account, enter the amount you wish to deposit and double-check all the information before initiating the transfer from your bank. Be aware of potential deposit fees and processing times, which can vary depending on your bank and location. Now, let's explore cryptocurrency deposits. Select cryptocurrency and choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Kraken Pro will generate a unique deposit address or a QR code for your account. Carefully copy the address and paste it into your sending wallet. Triple check that you've copied the correct address and that the cryptocurrency type matches. Sending to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of funds. Keep in mind that your account verification level might affect your deposit limits. To increase your limits, you may need to complete additional verification steps. Also, be aware of any minimum deposit amounts for specific cryptocurrencies. After initiating the deposit, you can monitor its status on the transactions page within your Kraken Pro account. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain or processed by the bank, the funds will be credited to your account, and you're ready to start trading. If you encounter any issues, refer to Kraken Pro support resources or contact their customer support team. Happy trading!